Are you looking for the best garden scooters? In this video we will look at some of the best garden scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 4-wheel mobile steel. The Step 2 may be the most popular garden scooter out there, but this next one is the best. The Best Choice Products Rolling Garden Cart Work Seat with Tool Tray is a gardener's best friend. With 4 10-inch pneumatic tires, it can roll smoothly over grass and pavement. The frame is constructed using powder-coated steel, and can support up to 300 lbs. The solid steel axles give this garden scooter excellent steering and maneuverability, and it includes a utility basket that can be used to carry all of your gardening tools with you. It's also given a weatherproof finish, so if you are like me and accidentally leave stuff out in the yard every once and a while, it shouldn't be a problem. This garden scooter is also incredibly comfortable. The contour seat can swivel and it is adjustable to just about any height you need, making it useful to perform a wide variety of tasks. The Best Choice Garden Cart is absolutely the best garden scooter out there, and although it comes with a bit of a price, it is a great investment. Just think about how much easier all those chores will be with this great garden scooter. Number 2. Sunnydaze Garden Cart Rolling Scooter. The Sunnydaze Cart Rolling Garden Stool is a great and versatile garden scooter that can be used to tackle a wide variety of different tasks around the house. Everything from yard work to car washing can be handled without any fatigue or back pain. The bucket basket in the back perfectly fits a 5-gallon pail, and the tool rack underneath can fit any other tool you might need. The best part about this garden scooter is the comfort features. The seat is height adjustable and can swivel in any direction. It also features huge, pneumatic tires that can roll over just about anything. Before you do any job, ask yourself, would this be easier if I were sitting down? If the answer is yes, this garden cart with seat is a good investment. You'll never need to stand up during chores again. Number 3. Suncast Outdoor Rolling. The Suncast GDS 200D garden scooter is very similar in appearance to the Ames Buddy lawn cart but has a few major exceptions. The first being is that it is significantly less expensive, and also it is specifically designed to be a gardening companion. The portable seat allows you to keep all of your gardening tools inside and is able to hold 8.5 gallons worth of yard clippings. It also comes with a foam cushion that makes for a comfortable resting place, and it has 2 drink holders. This makes the Suncast garden scooter the ultimate gardening companion, and I wouldn't want to garden without it. Number 4. Kinsunny Garden Seat with Wheels. Kinsunny Garden Stool Garden Seat with Wheels is the perfect way to roll around the garden during yard work. If you are tired of the fatigue and back pain that comes with gardening but still need to take care of your plants, this is the perfect solution. The Kinsunny is made from both iron and plastic, so it is durable but easy to carry as well. The utility basket in the front is a useful feature, and can be used to hold a variety of different gardening tools. This scooter rolls easily over soft grass with its 4 10-inch wheels and solid steel axles. This garden scooter also comes with an adjustable seat so it can match just about any height. Number 5. Pure Garden 82 VY021. Next up we have the basic, no-frills Pure Garden RollingWorkScooter with Tool Tray. This garden scooter is possibly one of the most affordable ones on the market, and still has enough to get the job done. The wheels are 3 inches wide and they can easily roll over soft grass. This is a great model if you don't know whether or not you need a garden scooter. It is super inexpensive, and if you don't use it for gardening there are plenty of other uses for it. This is a great example of a low-cost trial garden scooter. You can always upgrade down the line if you need to.